वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरमसन्दिग्धम् सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोभमनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अयुन्
अयुण्
ऋलृक्
ऋक्
एओङ्
एओम्
ऐ औच्
ऐ औच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
ळङ्
ञमाङणनम्
ञमानाननम्
जभै
झभञ्
घढधश्
घढढश्
जबगडदश्
जबगददश्
खफचठथ चटतौ
खफचठथ चटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
खल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकृतविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अघ्वविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋदुरशानां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
लितुलसानां दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उभूपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ञमङणनानां नासिका च
ञमनानानां नासिका च
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोः कण्ठोष्ठम्
ओदौतोः कण्ठोष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम्
जिह्वामूली यस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूल्यस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे।
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे।
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः।
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः।
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर।
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर।
संहितैकपदे नित्या नित्या धातुपसर्गयोः
संहितैकपदे नित्या नित्या धातुपसर्गयोः
नित्याः समासे वाक्ये तु सा विवक्षामपेक्षते।
नित्या समासे वाक्ये तु सा विवक्षामपेक्षते।
जलां जशोन्ते
झलञ्जशोऽन्ते
जलां झषि
जलाञ्जसि
खरि च
खरि च
वावसाने
वावसाने
चोः कुः
चोः कुः
आदेशप्रत्यययोः
आदेशप्रत्यययोः
औडः
होडः
ढोढे लोपः
ढोढे लोपः
प्रलोपे पूर्वस्य दीर्घो नः
जलोपे पूर्वस्य दीर्घोणः
चषस्तथोर्धोदः
यशस्ततोर्ध्वोर्धः
स्तोश्चुनाश्चुः
स्तोश्चुनश्चुः
ष्टुनाष्टुः
ष्टुनाष्टुः
न पदान्ताट्टोरणाम्
नपदान्ताट्टोरणाम्
तोहोषि
तोहोषि
शात्
शाद्
दादे धातोर्गः
दाधेर्धातोर्गः
एकाचो वशुभष्यसन्तस्य स्तोः
एकाचो पशो भषन्तस्य स्तोः
वादृहमुखष्णुगश्निहाम्
वादृहमुहश्महश्निहाम्
महोधः
न होधः
भ्रश्च भ्रश्च सृज मृज यजराज भ्राजच्छशांशः
भ्रश्च भ्रस्य श्रिय द्विज यजराज भ्राजच्छांशः
परो व्रजेहेषः पथान्ते
परव्रजेः शः पदान्ते
विश्वस्य वसुराटोः
विश्वस्य वसुराटोः
संयोगान्तस्य लोपः
संयोगान्तस्य लोपः
नश्च
नश्च
रात्सस्य
राक्षसस्य
यज्ञनः सम्प्रसारणम्
विज्ञानसम्प्रसारणम्
सम्प्रसारणाच्च
सम्प्रसारणाच्च
स्कोः संयोगाद्योरन्ते च
स्कोः संयोगाद्योरन्ते च
न सम्प्रसारणे सम्प्रसारणम्
न सम्प्रसारणे सम्प्रसारणम्
छे च
छे च
षडो लोकहसि
चडोः कहसि
नश्चव्यप्रशान्
नश्च विप्रशान्
यमोरस्वादचियमुन्नित्यम्
नमो ह्रस्वादचिरमुत्थित्यम्
मौनुस्वारः
मोनुस्वारः
पश्चापदान्तस्य झलि
यश्चापदान्तस्य झलि
मोराजिसमखौ
मोराजिस्समह्वौ
हेमपरेव
हेमपरेवा
न परेणः
न परेणः
नोः कुक्तुक्षरी
नोः कुट्टुक्षरी
शितुक्
शिटुक्
मयम्यो भोवा
मयौन्यो गो वा
यरोनुनासिकेनुनासिको वा
यरोनुनासिकेनुनासिको वा
प्रत्यये भाषायां नित्यम्
प्रत्यये भाषाया नित्यम्
अनुस्वारस्य ययि परसवर्णः
अनुस्वारस्य ययि परसवर्णः
वा पदान्तस्य
वापदन्तस्य
तोर्लि
तोर्लि
उदस्तास्तम्भोः पूर्वस्य
उदस्थास्तम्भो पूर्वस्य
झयोः न्यतरस्याम्
झयोः
षच्छोटि
षष्ठोटि
चत्वममीति वाच्यम्
छट्टममीदिवाच्यम्
फलोयमां यमि लोपः
हलो यमां यमिलोपः
झरोझरि सवर्णे.
हरो झरि सवर्णे.
So 120 sutras starting from Sanya Sutra up to Sandhi Sutra. We are going to ask a few sutras left out. That is Jayoho Anyatarasyam. Jayoho Anyatarasyam. 117 to 120. 4 sutras will complete. And one Vartika. That's a part of the sutra only. So that we will see today.
Oh.
Now, Jayaha. Jayoho Anyatarasyam. Jayaha is Panchami Vibhakti. You have to see the sutra pata. What are all the words coming as Anuvritti? Okay. So, we take the sutra pata. I'll show you. Some sutras are there in between that we will see later, not now. Everything we cannot be seen. Certain sutras, in the context we will see. Yes. Now, Jayaha, Saha, Anyatrasyam, Purvasya coming as Anuvritti. You can see the screen, 8462 sutra. Jayaha, Saha, Anyatrasyam, Purvasya coming as Anuvritti from the previous sutra. And Savarnaha also, you can see. Anuswarasya, Yahi Paras Savarnaha. Parasvarnaha up to 65. But here Purvasya is there, therefore Para is not required, only Savarna you have to bring. Already Purvasya is there. Then Para will, what Para will do? So you have to bring the Anuvritti Savarna to this sutra. Because this sutra is already Purvasya. Not Parasavarna. Purvasya Savarnaha Bhavati. Adesha Bhavati. Savarna to the preceding letter. Now Jayaha. And also, of course, here another thing is that is Padantasya. Padante Sitasya. You can say. Or not Padantasya not required also. Yeah. Padantasya, because it is optional. That's why I said Padantasya. Padasya, in fact, coming as Anuvritti from the Sutra 8.1. If you see the word Padasya coming as Anuvritti from 8.1 Padasya, 8.116 or 8.117. So all these are Padasya, Padantasya. Go to the Sutra 8.116. 16 or 15? 16, Padasya. Goes as Anuvritti up to 8.3, okay. 8.354. Not here, not Padasya. Even we have Padasya, the word is there in 8.4 itself. It is only up to 8.354. After that padasya, the word coming as anuvritti from na padantat toranam. There from padantat. So there from that they bring as anuvritti.
Okay.
So if you see here padantat, even though it is given, not given, but you can bring, or because examples, what are examples are given? All padant example. So it doesn't matter. Anyway, you will see this applicable at least mainly at the end of the padam. Okay. So you will see that example now. You see. So even though the padasya is not bring here anuvati, but you will see all the examples of the padasya. In some books I have given, I have seen padanta ji. In some book they are given brought the anuvati padasya from padantat. Padantat is panchami. So jayaha is panchami. So padantat jayaha they say. Anyway, okay. So not an issue. The point here is jayaha is panchami vibhakti. But jayaha is panchami. And sthani is that which is in shashti is called sthani. Here haha is shashti vibhakti. So hakara is going to be replaced optionally by what? By the savarna. Savarna, the word coming as anuvritti from the previous sutra. That is anusarase parasavarna, not immediately preceding from the preceding sutra. And purvasya is immediately. Purvasya, the word is there the immediate preceding sutra, right? So the stasambho purvasya. Therefore, purvasya savarna, if you join, purva savarna. Purvasya savarna, purva savarna will be the replacement in the place of where? The place of akara. And akara is preceded by jai letter, which is at the end of the padam. Optionally, yatarasyam, the replacement happens. So the Sampurna Sutram is Jayaha. Jayaha is Panchami. Hakara, following the Jai letter. The Jai letter we can take at the end of the Padam, or even otherwise also it is fine, because not given, therefore Padam is not here, it's not given. But some book, as I told you, it's given. And all the examples you will see as Padam only. So this Hakara will be replaced by the Savarna letter of the Purva. Purva is what? Preceding letter, that is Jai letter. So Hakara will take the Savarna letter corresponding to the preceding letter. Optionally, vikalpena, anyatarasyam, all same meaning. Okay. Va anyatarasyam, vibhasha. Now you see. Jayaha uttarasya, following the Jai letter, uttarasya, karasya.
So this purvasya we have to link with savarna.
Savarna. Therefore, purvasya savarnaha, purvasavarnadesha bhavati vikalpena. Right? And parasavarna. Okay. See the translation. In the context of Sandhi situation, Samhitayam, coming as anuvritti from 8 to last sutra, onwards up to the 8 for end. So all are Sandhi. In the context of Sandhi, Hakara, immediately preceded by a Jai letter, right? This Hakara will be replaced by a Savarna letter corresponding to the preceding Jai letter, Vikalpena optionally. Okay. We'll see example, you'll understand. Now, what are the Jai letters? Jabhai, Gadadash.
All letters minus
All the class consonants except
sibling.
fifth letter of the class consonant, right? Except Anunasika letters of the class consonants, all the other letters, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes.
Javain, Gadadash, Gadadash, right? 4, 3, 2, 1. That's why I said all the class consonant except the fifth letter of the class consonants, except the Anunasika consonants. So these are the J letter. Now,
except sibilants and except semivowels.
Of course, yes.
Yes.
J letter. So J letter, this. Now Hakara will be replaced by Savarna of the J letter. Okay. Now I have written everything below, but I will not show you now. You answer now. Hakara is there. So Hakara. What are the properties of Hakara?
Hakara is
Akukajaniyanam Kantaha.
Yes, Kantaha. And also
And
Mahaprana.
Agaprana.
Also,
And what about the Isha Vivritam Vivritam? What about that? Ushmavarna.
Yes.
What about Ushmavarna? Four things we have seen, right? Sprishtam, Isha Sprishtam, Vivritam, Isha Vivritam, Samvritam, right? All the consonants are class consonants or Sprishta.
Sprishta, yes.
And semi-vowels are Ishat Sprishta.
Yes.
That is why they are called Antastha, semi-vowels, semi-consonants, semi-vowels, whatever it is. What about the Ushma Varna and the vowels? Vowels are all the vowels. Vivritam.
Vivritam.
Sibilants are Ishad Vivritam. Right?
Oh, yes.
And Akara is
Akara?
Samvritam, contraction, complete contraction. Akara, right? Remember, all these things we have seen. Tulyase Prayatnam Savarnam, there in that context we have seen.
Yes.
Sprishta, Ishad Sprishta, Ishad Vivrita, Vivrita, Samvrita, right?
Yes.
So Ishad Vivritam is Ushmana, sibilance Ushmana. Vivritam is all the swaras. Now this is Hakara is Ushma letter, therefore Ishad Vivritam. So what all I told? First I told it is Kanta. Akuka Visarjanyanam, Kanta Ucharanasthanam is Kanta. Tulya, Asya, Prayatnam. Asya, place of pronunciation is Kanta. Prayatnam, two types. Abhyantara Prayatnam, Bhagya Prayatnam. Abhyantara Prayatnam of Hakara is Ishad Vivritam, right? If we take the J letter, because Hakara going to be replaced by the Savarna letter of the J, corresponding Savarna of the J letter, right? 4321.
Yes.
4321, right? Class consonants, remember. 4321. Now, class consonants are Sprishta. And this is Ishad Vivritam. Therefore, you cannot go by Bhagya Prayatnam. Sorry, Antara Prayatnam. You cannot go by Antara Prayatnam. You understand what I'm saying? Prayatnams of two types, Antara Prayatnam, Bhagya Prayatnam. Antara Prayatnam for the sibilant Hakara is Ishad Vivritam. Antara Prayatnam for the consonants, class consonants is Sprishta. So we cannot go find out the Savarna by Antara Prayatnam ruled out. And we cannot go by even Sthanam also, Uchara Sthanam, because the preceding letter, Hakara is Kanta. The preceding letter need not be always Kavarga letter, right? Ka, ka, ga, ga. It can be any letter. Cha, 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 ja, ja, ta, ta, da, da, any, ta, ta, da, da, pa, pa, ba, ba. Any letter can be there, J letter. So you cannot say always Kavarga letter will be there. You cannot say. If it is that, then that is okay. So we cannot go by Asyam, that is Ucharanasthanam. We cannot go by Antara Prayatnam. Then what is the choice? Bhagya Prayatnam. You have to see Bhagya Prayatnam. Now, Bhagya Prayatnam, you have to know Samvara, Vivara, Nada, Gosha, etc. What we have learned. That you have to know. Okay. I say simple way is J letter, see, Savarna letter corresponding Savarna J letter will replace Hakara, right? Yes. Now, Hakara is Mahaprana, right? Yes or no?
Yes, Mahaprana.
Mahaprana. I told fourth class of all the class consonants, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? Among them, what about the first letter of all the classes? Alpa Prana.
Alpa Prana.
Rule out. Remove that. Not required. They are Alpa Prana. Remove the third letter also, because they are also Alpa Prana, right? Yes. So what is left out is second letter of all the classes and fourth letter of all the classes, right?
Yes. Yes.
And Ha is, we know it's a soft consonant, right? And second letter of all the consonants are kar letter, hard consonant. Remove that also. So what is left out now? What is left out? I have removed 1, I have removed 2, I have removed 3. Only fourth letter is left out.
Only for
Fourth
yes.
letter will replace hakara. That's it. Done. Simple. You follow?
Yeah, I follow, but I was in the sutra. I was thinking this savarna is not the savarna for hakara, it's savarna for the J that is preceding.
Savarna of J, what does it mean? We tell you explain what does it mean that. Savarna of J means? Huh?
No, the J of the words.
Hakara will be replaced by the Savarna letter corresponding to the J. So there should be Savarnatvam between the two letters. Then only we can say Savarna. What else? You and other persons are similar. You can compare with another person only when there is Sadrishyatvam, when there is similarity. The Hakara will be replaced by a J letter means they should be mutually similar, right?
Yeah.
So what letter among the J letter will be similar to Hakara? That letter will come as replaced. Understand? That is what it means. Otherwise, what does it mean?
No.
Otherwise, by what you say, it has no meaning at all. Savarna letter of the J means Savarna always between the two letters, right?
Yeah, but
you say Akara and Akara, they are Savarna to each other. Yes, two letters. You cannot say I am similar to myself. Yes, you are similar to yourself only. What is the big thing there?
No, I was thinking the Hakara will be replaced, but by
the letter, by the J letter, based on what? Based on Savarnatvam, based on the similarity. So you have to find the Savarna letter, corresponding Savarna J letter. Corresponding to what? Come in relation to what? Hakara, right?
Okay.
So Hakara, the property you must know, and J letter property you must know. Then among the J letter, which will correspond to Hakara in terms of the similarity, Savarna, that will come as replacement. For that, now 4, 3, 2, 1, 20 letters are there. Am I right? Yeah, 5, 4, 5 into 4, 20. Among the 20, you have to narrow it down.
Yes.
How I am narrowing it? First letter and third letter are Alpa Prana, remove it. Second letter of all the classes, art consonant, remove it. So among the 20, 15 are gone. Now only 5 are left out. The 5 will come. You have to choose accordingly.
Okay.
That's a logic. Okay.
Okay.
This is based on Bhagya Prayatnam. If you remember Bhagya Prayatnam, all the property, it is fine. If not, simple way. Hakara is Mahaprana. Therefore, second and fourth letter. And second is art consonant. Hakara is soft consonant. So second also remove it. So what is left out? Only fourth letter of all the class consonants. That will come as that replacement. That is Savana letter for Hakara.
Yes.
That is the closest, that the fourth letter of classes has got the closest similarity. No other letters. Understand?
Yes.
When it give you example, you'll understand. Now, whatever I said now, everything I have written in words. See, Bhagya Prayatnam of Hakara is Samvara, Nada, Ghosha, Mahaprana. Understand? This Samvara, Nada, Ghosha for soft consonants. For hard consonants, Vivara, Aghosha, then what is that? Vivara, Aghosha, another one sound is metallic sound. What is that? Vivara, Shwasa, sorry, Shwasa. Vivara, Shwasa, Aghosha, go for hard consonants. So second letter of all the class consonants, if you take, they are Mahaprana, but they are Vivara, Shwasa, Aghosha. Therefore, they are not similar. That is how second letter I removed. In other words, they are hard consonants. Remove it. Understand?
Yes.
Now, since Hakara is being soft consonants, Mridu Vyanjana Mahaprana, therefore, what happened? The first letter and the third letter of all the class consonants cannot be savarna as they are alpa prana. Remove it. So taking the prana, right? They are alpa prana,
Yes.
1 and 3 removed. Now what is left out? Second and fourth. Among the second and the fourth Mahaprana letters, the second letters are ruled out. Why? Because they are Katora Vyanjanani. Katora means their Bhagya Prayatana means Vivara, Shwasa, Agosha. Removed. Therefore, it's removed. So what is left out now? Therefore, since the first letter are the only Savana letters of Akara, right? Therefore, the only suitable replacement would be the fourth letter of the class corresponding corresponding letter, corresponding to Hakara. What are they? Gha, Jha, Tha, Tha, Pa, in order of the classes are written. Gakara, fourth letter of the first class. Jha, fourth letter of the second class. Similarly, fourth letter of the third class. Takara, then Dakara, Bakara. Now, corresponding to the J letter, the Adesha would be in the place of Hakara.
It should not be the da.
How can you say, sir? How da? Suppose in the J letter is Takara. How will, from where you will bring the da? Out of the blue moon. It should be the letter. What letter should be there? Corresponding letter, you have to bring it. Hold on. I will see the example, you'll understand.
No,
So,
meaning
Bhagya
because,
Prayat.
meaning
No, hold on,
because,
hold on. You hold on your doubt. Keep your doubt with yourself now. Listen, your doubt will get cleared.
okay.
Bhagya Prayatanam of Akara is Samvaranada Gosha Mahaprana, and Bhagya Prayatanam of the fourth letter of all the class consonants is Samvaranada Gosha Mahaprana. Therefore, fourth letter of the class will replace Hakara. Now see the example. Vag plus Asati. Vag is a Padam. Padante, what letter is this? J letter.
J, yes.
You have to look upon this as J letter because context is that. And this is Hakara. Now, you follow the sequence. First, we have to apply Jalam Jashonte. So, Gakara is a Jal letter replaced by Jash. Right?
Yes.
Vag plus Asati. Now, after that, the sutra have to be applied. Now, Hakara preceded by what letter? J letter.
J.
Now,
Yes.
Hakara will be replaced by the letter corresponding to the J letter here. So, what letter will come? Then Gakara will come. Understand?
Yes.
So, Hakara will be replaced by Gakara. Therefore, Vagasati.
Yes.
Understand? Now, take another example. Vachaha Hari. This is a compound. Anyway, I'll just take care. Vach plus Hari. Vach plus Hari. Again, you do follow the step. 8 to 30. By Chokakuhu. Vak. Kakara comes. Right? Then Jalan Jashonte. Vag comes. Then this sutra will apply. By that, Hakara is preceded by the J letter. Therefore, the fourth letter of the Gakara, Kavarga letter, will be Gakara. That is a Savarna letter for Akara, will come as Adesha. Therefore, Vaghari. Understand?
Yes.
Take another example. Ach plus Alo, not Jalo. The sutra we have seen. Right? Sutra,
Yes.
not Jalo. Now, here you see. Not Jalo is Ach plus Al. By Jalam Jashonte, what happens? Chakara replaced by Jakara. Understand? Then after that, this Hakara is there. Hakara preceded by the J letter. Therefore, this Hakara will be replaced by the corresponding letter, J letter. What is that? Jakara belongs to the Chavarga letter. Cha, cha, ja, ja. Among the four, one is ruled out, two is ruled out, three is already there ruled out. Fourth letter is what? Jakara. That will come as replacement. Akara will be replaced by the Savarna letter corresponding to J. How can be replaced always by Gakara? From where you will bring Gakara? Out of somewhere. It won't come, right? You understand? That's the question you asked.
No. I was asking because you put 5 letters, but there is the Takara, Murdanya Takara, but this Murdanya Takara is second line.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is what you're asking. Oh, sorry, Shamitam.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm right. Okay. Yeah. It's a typo. Understand. Yes, right.
Yes.
Dakara only. Yeah, that's correct. Oh, here also it's copy paste problem, Shmita. Yeah. Because you said Gakara, that's why I thought, okay, why are you holding on to Gakara? I thought you are considering Akukavacharajanyanam, Kantaha, you're thinking about the Uchcharanasthana. Okay, fine, understand. Yeah.
No, like this.
Yeah,
But
understand.
I understood.
Okay.
I understood this sutra.
Mm. Okay,
But
okay.
see, yes,
Mm.
because we have to see the Savarna based
Of,
on the
based
J.
on, yeah, exactly. Based on what J letter presents. That letter, suppose Jakara is there. What are the Savarna letter to Jakara? Cha, cha, ja, ja, right?
Yes.
Because we have to take only J. Leave the fifth letter because it is Anunasika. Cha, cha, ja, ja. Among the four, the right one which can replace Hakara is the fourth letter. Other three, not right match. So Jakara will come in the place of
Yes.
Hakara. The other sutra,
Yes.
not Jalo. Okay,
Anjalo.
that's a good
Yes.
example. So therefore, we get this. Is it clear?
Yes. So we have to check the Savarna of
Ah,
the preceding J and
exactly.
also Savarna of the Hakara. Both we have to consider.
Yeah, you can say like that. Yes. Savarna of the preceding letter is four letters, and the Savarna letter corresponding to Akara will replace. Yes, it's like true like that.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, it is. It is. We say Savarna of the following Jai. It means we have to understand. Savarna is Jakara as its Savarna letters, and among the Savarna letter, whichever is suitable, that will come in the place of Kara. Okay.
Understood.
Then Madhulid plus Asati. See, if you see all the examples, this is Padanta J. That is why I said Padasya. Even though here it is not Anuvritti is not given, but we can understand it Padantasya. Because that is how I remember I seen in the books also. Padasya can be here. Padanta J actually. That's what I remember. Okay. Anyway,
Okay.
you see all the examples, you will have Padanta only. Otherwise, also it is fine. Anyway, it's going to be Padanta, right? So it's not a problem. Next one, Madhulit plus Asati. You see, it's a Padam. Madhulit, we know that is derived from the Pratipadikam is Madhulik, Lik, Hakara, Kodaha,
Yes.
remember?
Yes.
Yeah. So Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam of Madhulik Shabda is Madhulid. It means honeybee. Okay. Madhulit plus
Yes.
Asati. You apply the sequence of the rules. First Jalam Dashonte, followed by this rule, Jayoho, Nyatarasyam. So Akara preceded by the J letter. The corresponding Savana letter is of the J letter corresponding to the Akara is Dakara, that will come in the place of Akara. So Madhulhid Dasati. Understand?
Yes.
Similarly, Tad plus Hitam. Jalam Jashonte, Dakara replaced by, that is Jal replaced by Jal, a just letter. Then this sutra will apply by which Hakara will be replaced by fourth letter of the preceding J letter, which is a Savana letter. Therefore, Dakara comes. So Taditam. This is what Tadita. Tadita Pratyaya, Tadita we say, no? This Tadita.
Nice.
Tadita. Understand?
Oh, okay. Yes.
In fact, we have Tadhitapaha, Taittiriya Upanishad.
Yes.
Tadhitapaha comes, no? There it is same thing only. It is Tad plus E. So the same thing. Tad Jalanjashante plus E, then Hakara, then the sutra will apply it for 62. By that, this will be replaced by corresponding the letter, J letter, which is E. Therefore, Taddi.
Yes. I
Tad
think
plus E
this is
Taddi.
very, very common. Taddi.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
very nice.
So this is 8462. Jayaho Nyatarasyam. Okay. Next sutra. Shashchoti. Splitting this sutra. Shaha. Now Shaha is Stani, Shashti Bhakti. and shaha is the adesha. Sakara is the adesha. And ati, here, how do you split this? Splitting itself is an exercise. You do the reverse. Shaha, shaha, ati. Chaha plus ati, cho, ati. Cho plus ati, pura santi, choti. Right?
Yes.
Here, shaha, shas plus cha, sakara, then replaced by stogastanastuku, shakara has come. So we are
Yes.
splitting that. Shaha, chaha, ati. Right?
Yes.
Ati means at pratyahara. When at pratyahara, any of the at pratyahara follows. What are the at pratyahara? What are the at letters? All the vowels.
All the
Ha,
vowel.
hayavarat.
Hayavara. Hayavara.
Len is not included. Okay.
Yes.
Hayavarat. Now, the Vartika is, see the Sutra Pata. What is the Vartika given? Shatvam ami iti vachyam, right? To split that. Shatvam ami iti vachyam. There ami is, that is Vartika says, no, it is not at. You can extend up to What is Hayavarat, Lan, Nyam, up to that. That is what Vartika suggests. It is not at, you can make it So for all our now practical purposes, you can take it as Shashchomi. Even though Sutra is Shashchoti, you can take it as Shashchomi. Ami. Okay. That's a Vartika. Anyway, I'm given Vartika. We are going to see that. Now, what are the Anuvrittis? From the previous Sutra, if you see, Jayaha coming as Anuvritti. Right?
Yes.
Okay. And Anyatarasam also coming as Anuvritti. Right?
Yes.
Jayaha Anyatarasam. And in the previous Sutra, Jayaha Anyatarasam, please note this. The 8462 is optional. Right? 846 Jayaho Anyatarasam. If you don't do, then you will have, but also I'll let you know. It will be like this. Tad. Then he.
This Anyatarasyam.
Anyataram is optional. So previous one also it is optional. Okay, that also let me do it. Madhu, lid, then sati. You will remain like this. Here also. It is ach, then hello. Here also it is like that. Vag, then hari. Vag, hari. Anyatarasya means optional. Vikalpena, kakara replaced by savanajay. So if you don't do, then what will happen? Then you will have as it is. Okay. This is optional form. Okay. For this sutra also, Shashchoti also, we have choice, optional. Vivasha. And Parasavarna. Okay. Parasavarna not required. Why Parasavarna then? Parasavarna, in fact, though it is given up to 865, but for this sutra, it is not required. Okay. So I remove that. Whichever required, you can bring it. Here, why it is required? Not required for this sutra. Jayaha Netrasyam required, and this is under the section Samhitayam. Okay. And Padantat. The Padantat, you see. Padantat. Even previous sutra also Padantat is there. Okay, let me add that because I remember Padanta is there. Okay, but I will make it. Padantat coming as Anuvritti from the Na Padantat Toranam.
Yes.
Okay. Even though Na Padantat Toranam it is not given, but you have to bring that word as Anuvritti from there. Okay. Panchami. So Padantat Jayaha. J letter at the end of the Padam. So I will change everywhere. Hakara immediately preceded by a J letter at the end of the Padam. Because I remember that's how I studied also, I think. Okay. So padantat, I changed it. Okay. So here also padantat. So now you see padantat jayaha is panchami. Shaha, chaha, va, ati. This is a Sampurna Sutram. What does it mean? Ati is, by the Vartika, it is Ami. We are going to see Vartika later. Now, which is Adesha?
Adesh is cha.
Chaha. And Sthani is Shakara. Shakara will be replaced by Shakara when Shakara is preceded by the J letter at the end of the Padam. That is the meaning.
Okay.
And the Shakara followed by At. Okay, both. Shakara followed by At and Shakara preceded by J letter at the end of the Padam.
Yes.
It means what? It means Shakara must be at the beginning of the Padam, the following word. Understand? Because Padanta Jai, Shakara is preceded by the J letter at the end of the Padam. Then Shakara must be what? First letter of the following Padam, right? Simple.
Yes. Yes.
If you stand before me, who is behind you? I am. What is it? The same logic.
Yes.
So Shakara preceded by the J letter at the end of the Padam, and Shakara is followed by At letter, At Pratyahara, At any of the At letter or Ami. We can take, as Vartikakara says. When any of the At Pratyahara letters follow, or follow, and Shakara preceded by J letter, then Shakara will be replaced optionally by Shakara. Understand?
Yes.
Jayaha Uttarasya. Now here also I will write Padantat. Padantat Jayaha Uttarasya Shakarasya Ati Pare Chakaraha Adesha Bhavati Anyatarasyam Vikalpena. In the context of Sandhi situation, the Shakara preceded by a Padanta Jai, and followed by At letter is replaced by Chakara optionally Vikalpena. See the example. Suhrut plus Shete. Suhrut is Padam. Shete
Yes.
Kriya Padam. Shete means sleeps. So what is the first step? Which sutra will apply? Two Padams combining, joining by the Sandhi Niyamas. Jalam Dashonte. Always start, no, remember. Suhrut Dakara will be, the Dakara is a Jal letter, replaced by Jash letter, Suhrut Shete, right? After that, Dakara is,
J.
tell me.
Dakara is J letter.
Okay, then?
Followed by Sha.
Then, so what? What will happen?
So Sha will be replaced by Cha.
What about the rules in between? We are not considering the rules. Dakara is Tavarga letter. This is Shakara.
Yes.
That is in between. This is 8463, the sutra. In between sutra, we have to consider, right?
Yes.
You cannot skip it. You have to follow the sequence. Togos Chunastuku, applying that, what to get? Dakara replaced by third letter of the Chavarga letter, right? 8440. Now what happens? Now Jakara at the end of the Padam, J letter, followed by Shakara. Shakara followed by A is at letter, right? At.
Yes.
Therefore, there you can apply. Understand? When you apply there, what will happen? Sorry, before that, Karicha also is there. Okay, okay, don't forget that. Jakara is followed by Shakara. Shakara is a third letter. Therefore, Jakara will be replaced by Chakara. So 8 to 29, 8 for 40, 8 for 55. Now you can apply. Now Chakara is a J letter, right? And followed by Shakara. Shakara followed by At letter. Therefore, Shakara will be optionally replaced by Chakara. So, therefore, you get Suhruchete. Understand?
Yes.
This is optional. If you don't do, what will happen? Suhruchete. After Karicha. Suhruchete. If you don't apply 8463 because this is optional. So what will happen then? Suhruchete. Vikalpen. Understand?
Yes.
Similarly, Madulit Shete, Madulit, Anibi,
Yes.
Shete, sleeps, Padam.
Yes.
So Jalan Jashonte. By that, Jal letter replaced by Jash letter, which happens to be same. Then Dakara and Shakara. Here you cannot apply any Shtuttamanda, right? Because
Yes.
Dakara Tavarga. Can you apply
Yeah.
Shtuttam? Tell me.
No, it should
Why?
no.
Why not?
Because it's not the Sakara or Tabar
Yeah,
with
where is
the
Shtuttam? You cannot apply it, right?
or two. Yes.
The first Shtuttam cannot be applied. Previous case, it was Tavarga letter, therefore we apply. Here Dakara. So Madhur lid. Then 8 to 39, Shtuttam not possible, but Karicha possible. So Dakara is replaced with Takara because Shakara is a Kar letter. Madhur lit, Shete. Either we can stop here or we can apply the current sutra 8463 Shashchoti. By that, this is J letter at the end of the Padam. Shakara is there, followed by A at letter. Okay. Therefore, Shakara will be replaced by Chakara. Madhulit Chete or Madhulid Chete optionally. Understand?
Yes.
And so many such examples are there in the even in Gita also. Then we'll find it. Okay. Then Chatvam Ami Iti Vacham. This is what the Vartikakara says. You can say instead of at. Shashchomi. Therefore, we will take the sutra. If the Vartikam we study, fine. But we can take the sutra Shashchomi. We can remember like that. So that will be easy for us when you do application, right?
Okay.
Otherwise, you have to remember the Vartika separately. If you can, it's okay. Otherwise, Shashchomi. Example. Chatva Adesha in the Sutram should have the condition of Ami instead of Ati. This is what the Vartikakara says. Okay. Example. Tat plus Shlokam. You see this example. Jalam Dashante you apply. Padanta Jal will be replaced by just letter. Tad. After that, Dakara in contact with Shakara. Therefore, Shuttam, Taj. Then Shakara is a Jal followed by Kar letter. Therefore, Karicha, Tach. Now, can you apply, suppose, Shashchoti is the Sutram. Then can you apply this? Padanta Jai, okay. Shakara is there. Shakara followed by
Lakar.
Lakara is not an utter
Lakar.
letter.
Yes. Not a.
If you say then it is. Right? That is what Vartikakara says. You extend the pratyahara to makara. Don't stop at takara. Therefore, if it is lakara, it follows lakara is letter. Therefore, shakara can be replaced by shakara, right? By Vartika.
Yes.
Therefore, we will have
That's
touch lokam. Understand? Therefore, touch lokam. Again, this is optional. Otherwise, you can stop here. Touch shlokam. Right?
yes.
Okay. This is Shashchoti. This is called Chatva Sandhi.
Chatwas.
Shatva Sandhi. Okay, next one. 8464. 8464. We will see the one example for this because there's more on this. We will see the context comes because you won't be able to follow now. Therefore, I get taken only one example. 8464 and 8465. Hello, Hemam, Yemi, Lopaha. And Anyatarasyam coming as Anuvritti. Right? Do you see the screen? Sutrapata.
Yes.
Anyatarasyam, the word coming as Anuvritti. Halaha, Yamam, Yemi, Lopaha. What is the vibhakti of Halo? Panchami.
Okay.
Yamam is Shashti. Yami is
Bahuvachana.
Saptami. So Halaha, Yamam, Yemi, Lopaha. Now meaning is simple. What is Yam? Yam is a pratyahara. What are the letters contained in the pratyahara Yam? Ayavarad, Yam. Yavarala, Nyamangananam. Right?
Yes.
Yam.
Yes.
M letter preceded by hal, a consonant, followed by M letter. Then the M will become lopaha. Simple, right? Simple sutra.
Okay.
M will become lopaha when preceded by a consonant followed by M. Now see the sutram. Alaha panchami, Yamam shashti, Yami saptami, lopaha bhavati. Kasya lopaha, Yamam lopaha, that is shashti. And this is Anitarasyam optionally happens. So halaha, Yamam, Yami, Anitarasyam lopaha.
6-3? No. Or 6-1? No. 6-3? Yama?
Yamam, Yami lopaha, yes. 6-3. Yeah, 6-3. Yamam, Yami, lopaha. Now, see, halaha uttaresham, Yamam, Yami parataha, lopaha bhavati, Anitarasyam. M letter, when preceded by a consonant and followed by M letter, will become optionally lopa. Example, you see. I'm taking an example of tadita pratyaya. Asya is a word, and tadita pratyaya, yat is added. Now, asya plus yat. Here, yakara, asya, sakara plus yakara plus akara, followed by yakara. Sakara is a hal, then yakara is a yam. After that, akara is, okay,
Yes.
not a yam letter. Akara is not a yam. After that, only yam letter comes yakara, the pratyaya, beginning with yakara, right? Follow what I'm saying.
Yes, there is one akara in
Sakara, see, sakara is a hal, followed by yam letter, then akara is a vowel, then the pratyaya beginning with yam letter.
Yes.
This akara, what will happen is a rule. By that akara will go away. The akara will go away. Okay.
Okay.
Now you will have hal followed by yam followed by yam.
Yeah.
The yam is preceded by hal followed by yam. Therefore, this yakara will happen. It will go away. Understand?
Yes.
How that akara went away, that is out of scope. Don't worry about it now. We cannot know it now. Asya plus yat. It's a tadita pratyaya. Therefore, we need to know tadita karya. We don't know those things. Don't worry about that. Just to note this much. Akara of asya goes away. When it goes away, then we have the condition that hal, that is yakara, preceded by a hal, followed by yam. Yakara being a yam letter, preceded by a hal, followed by yam. Therefore, this yakara will go optionally. So when it goes away, you get asya. Tulyasya, prayatanam asya. That is what it is. Optionally. Therefore, another form is asya. Okay.
Oh, okay. This is the same as twa pratyaya. Same meaning?
Twa is not a yam, no sir. It's not yam.
No. This
That is
pratyaya.
another. That is another one, not here. That is
No.
different, not here.
I was asking, this pratyaya has the same meaning of the twa pratyaya, meaning to it will.
You're asking a lep pratyaya, lep, not twa, lep.
Oh, okay, this is lep, not this one.
No. I'm not saying lep. Do you ask it is a lep pratyaya? Twa is replaced by lep when it has got a upasarga. Is it what you're asking?
Yes.
Like in this example.
Like then you form one avyaya, having done.
Exactly, yes. So, for example, let me take the example. Example of
not this one.
you can take this example, prach. Okay. I'll take another simple one. Like what?
Like when you say agachadi, agamya.
Pat you can take, so for example, pat. Yeah. Pat plus twa. Pat plus twa will become patitva, right?
Yes.
But suppose if we have an upasarga pra, then twa is replaced by lyap. Therefore, you will have pra, pat, ya. So you're asking, is it what? No, this is different. It's a lyap pratyaya. This is yat pratyaya, completely different. This is a tadita pratyaya. This is a lyap is a kridanta pratyaya. No connection. Don't confuse with that. This is added to a pat is a dhatu. To the dhatu, the pratyaya is added. Here it is a pratipadikam. The subanta, it's a noun. The pratyaya is added, right? So to your noun, you add a pratyaya, you get a noun. That is tadita. To your dhatu, you add a pratyaya, you get a pratipadikam. That is kridanta, krit pratyayas. Understand?
Understand, yes.
Krit pratyayas are added to the to dhatus to derive a pratipadikam. Tadita pratyayas are added to a pratipadikam to derive a pratipadikam. So don't confuse these two.
So now we can decline this asya.
Why not? Declinable. Asya is now is akarantaha. Whatever gender you want to decline, you can decline that.
Okay, it's pratipadikam now.
It's a pratipadikam. Understand? So here we have this condition. This is that's why I written within bracket tadita pratyaya, not krit pratyaya. Okay. Yat is a tadita pratyaya. We have yat pratyaya when krit pratyaya is there. Yat pratyaya when krit pratyaya also we have. But how do we know? Yat is krita tadita. You have to see the prakriti. If the prakriti is dhatu, then yat is krit pratyaya. If the prakriti is pratipadikam, then yat is tadita pratyaya. The rupam is same, but depending on the application, we know what it is. You have to see what the anga, that is the prakriti. If the prakriti is dhatu, then the yat is krit pratyaya. If the prakriti is pratipadikam, then the yat is tadita pratyaya. Okay, so don't confuse kritanta. This tadita example is good. It's a simple example. That's why I gave this. So now, okay, another thing I tell you, just to note this. Don't ask me more, huh? But the tadita pratyaya is added to the pratipadikam. Pratipadikam ending with akara, right? The a will go away. That is how this get. See, a will go away. The rule.
Yes.
Okay, and that's we don't need to know that rule. Just I'm telling you, the SCA teacher, that is a sutra. We will see all those things later, the tadita section. Just to note that when tadita pratyaya follows the adanta pratipadikam, adanta akara, not adanta, avarnanta or ivarnanta, that akara goes away. Therefore, only when akara goes away, we have this condition. That is, yam preceded by hal followed by yam. Therefore, this yam letter goes away optionally. Okay, that much is an example. Only know this much. Not anything more, anything less. Okay. Other things, because any other thing will lead to some other topic.
Yes, yes.
That's very. I gave only one example, not more than that. One example. We will see the application of this in some context. That time, you will see more. The next sutra, the last sutra of this Jaro Jari Savarne 8465. Please see the sutra pata. What all the words we can bring as anuvritti? Halaha coming as anuvritti. Anitarasyam coming as anuvritti. Lopaha coming as anuvritti. Right?
Yes.
This sutra also same as the previous sutra. Jar preceded by hal, followed by jar. Now, what are the jar letters? Tell me. Jabhain. Starting from there up to Shashasar. It means 4, 3, 2, 1. And the sibilants Shashasa. Ha is not included, right?
Yes.
Savarne jar, important. Followed by not any jar letter. The previous one, any yam. But here, followed by the Savarna jar letter. Jari Savarne. Understand?
Okay.
Jar letter preceded by a consonant, followed by a Savarna jar. Then what will happen? The jar will become Lopaha. Jaraha, that is Shashti Bhakti. Jari, Saptami, Savarne, Saptami. Halaha, coming as anuvritti from the previous sutra, Panchami. Lopaha, Kasya Lopaha Bhavati, this Jaraha, Lopaha Bhavati. Vikalpena, Anitarasyam. In the context of Sandhi, Samhitayam. Understand?
Yes.
So, Halaha, Jaraha, Savarne, Jari, Anatarasyam lopaha. Alaha is panchami, jaraha is shashti, that is asthani. That will become lopaha when followed by savarna jar. So alaha uttarasya jaraha jari savarne pare lopaha bhavati anitarasyam. Samhitayam. In the context of sandhi situation, a jar letter immediately preceded by a hal, followed by a savarna jar, will undergo lopaha optionally. Example. Do you remember the example? Udasta stamboho. The same example I took. It's easy. Go back and see. Udasta stamboho. What is sutra number? 8461.
61. Udasta stamboho.
Remember the sutra.
Yes,
Udaha is panchami. When followed by sta or stamb, then what will happen? Purvasya savarnaha adesha bhavati. We have seen, right? You see the example. Ut plus sthanam. Ut is upasarga. Padam, avyayam, padam. Sthanam. The following word. Now, apply jalam jashonte. Ud, takara is replaced by dakara. After that, dakara, sakara. Sakara is a kar letter. Therefore, karicha, ut. Now, 8461. This udastha stambhoho, if you apply, the sakara will be replaced by the savarna of the preceding. Savarna letter of the preceding is tat, we have seen, right? So takara will be the right choice. All those things we have seen. Remember?
Yes.
So savarna of tavarga is takara is tha. Among these four, what will happen? The and the third letter, fourth letter ruled out because they are not kar letter. Here sakara is going to be replaced. Sakara is mahaprana. Therefore, only option is takara, right? Yes. So takara comes as adesha. Therefore, sthanam, right? Now, from here, we are going to proceed. We are going to apply jaro jari savarna. Okay. Just the same example I copied. Now, here you see, this is a hal and takara is a jal. Takara is a jal followed by takara.
Yes.
So, jar preceded by a hal followed by jar. Then what will happen? The takara will go away. When takara goes away, you get utthanam. Understand?
Yes.
So that is the example. Now see the example. Uddha plus thanam, jalam jashonte dakaraha, karicha by takara. Then applying 8461, udasta stambhoho, sakara is replaced by the savarna letter of the takara, which is takara. Now what happens? Takara is a hal followed by jar, jar followed by jar. So this jar will become lopaha optionally. Lopam krutva utthanam. If you don't do lopa, you will have this. Got it?
Yes.
So already we have done. Therefore, one more step. So up to this we have done in udasta stambhoho. One more step by that utthanam. So both are correct. The both are correct. Understand?
Yes, because option in.
Similarly, yeah. Ut plus tambanam. Same example. We have done there. Jalam jashonte dakara. Then karicha takara. Then udasta stambhoho by the sutra. Sakara replaced by takara. Now we have the condition. Takara is a hal followed by jar. And takara is savarna jar. That's very important. Takara and takara, are they savarna or not? They belong to the same class. Therefore, savarna, right?
Yes. Yes.
That's why it said savarna jar. Suppose in the place here, instead of takara, suppose if we have one jar letter, takara, then what will happen? This will not become lopa.
Not possible.
Because takara is, which is a dental. Takara is cerebral, not just savarna jar, right? Tulya se praitam savarnam you have to see. They are not tulya asyam, right? It's not same place of pronunciation. Therefore, here you cannot apply jaro jari savarna. You follow?
Oh, but this savarne is
savarne jari pare. Savarna jar follow. Must follow. So if it is ta, then takara become lopaha. If it is any other letter, then it is not possible. I mean, any other letter belongs to any other class. Any other jar letter I'm saying, right?
Yeah, no, but I was thinking this, the jari must be savarna. The jar following must be savarna.
Savarna, yes, followed by Savarna jari. Savarna to the jar. The Savarna jari. What do you understand by Savarna jari? The following must be a Savarna to the jar letter.
Because you put there one murdanyata, right? With the counter example.
Yeah.
But in this case, we have one jar followed by savarna jar also.
Where is Savarna jar? Takara is not Savarna jar.
Tha. The Mahaprana tha. Mahaprana tha. The takara Mahaprana. So there is one.
Is it what you are telling? Takara.
No, previously the same murdanya like this.
Where is murdanya? Oh,
no,
okay. Contra example you're telling, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
In this example, why this sutra cannot be applied? Because this.
If the sutra is just jaro jari, can apply. But savarne jari is, therefore you cannot apply.
Yeah, but this jari is savarna for takara.
How it is? Tell me. Takara is murdanya. Takara is dantya. How can be savarna? By what sutra you are telling it's savarna?
No. What I'm telling is the only the Mahaprana takara, not murdanya, dantya. This will lopa, right?
I'm not getting. Again, say it again.
The dantya takara Mahaprana in this example here.
Followed by.
This will lopa. So
yeah.
So my question is, in the sutra, this savarne is adjective for the jari, or is saying that one savarna has to follow also?
Sir, adjective. Both are in Saptami Vibhakti, right?
Yeah.
Savarne jari pare, followed by a savarna jara, followed by a jar letter, which is savarna to is this. It means both are savarna. It means, right? Yes. Savarna means, I always remember. Savarna means it's not between with oneself. Savarna with regard to the other. When followed by a savarna jari means the following jar must be savarna to this jar.
Yes.
Right. Then this will become lopaha. Yeah.
So then in this counter example, we have alpa pranata followed by mahapranata.
This is hal. This is a halaha followed by jar.
Okay.
Jar followed by jar. Understand?
Okay. Oh, understand.
You're asking, don't look from here. If you look from here, then I will ask the next question. If this is a jar, then what is the letter preceding? Verbal preceding.
Correct.
Then it is not applicable, sir.
Yes, hal, jar.
That's why halaha is.
Savarna jar. Oh, okay.
Yes, hal plus jar. Then jar become lopaha. The previous sutra, hal plus yam, yam becomes lopaha. There is no savarnatvam required. But here, savarnatvam is important. Okay.
Correct.
So if takara is there, then it will not go. Therefore, stambanam. Yes. Okay. So therefore, what will happen? Okay, what was there before? Yes. The takara can go away optionally. Therefore, uttambanam. Now you see takara coming, right? You asked me some question, right? Regarding that. You see this example. Takara coming.
Correct.
Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Now I understand.
Optionally, this also. So this is jaro jari savarne. This also we will see application not only here sandhi, not only sandhi contest. Even sandhi is of course it's universal. Even in wherever it's applicable, wherever sandhi situation is there, we have to apply. So whatever we learn in sandhi, that we will Tinganta, Subanta, wherever find application, we have to apply it. Okay. Just here, the Jarojari Savana Yamama Milopa, some specific example as given. So you will see the application of it when the situation comes. Right. So up to the sutra is done. So 120 sutras. These are sutras, Sandhi sutras. Okay. So
Okay.
I think almost I have done everything, and you can see the sequence of sutras. There is an order. This is our order,
Yes.
so that one following the other. That's a connection.
Yes.
So with this Sandhi topic is done. Now Sandhi Abhyasa we have to do. Sandhi Abhyasa. So Sanya Sutra, Paribhasha Sutra, and Sandhi Sutra, and Sandhi Sutrani, starting from Achsandhi, we have seen Achsandhi, then Vyanjana Sandhi, then Visarga Sandhi, then Al Sandhi. Okay, Vyanjana Sandhi. Under Vyanjana Sandhi, only all these things are covered. And we have seen a lot of Subanta example, Kritanta examples, where we saw the application of these sutras. Right? So 120, these are the basic sutras which you have to be thorough. Of course, all the paribhasha are also important. Anudit savanasya cha pratyah tulyasya pretam savanam stanentratamaha. All this should be very clear.
Yes.
So later, just we will not again go back. We just move on forward, because taking for granted, we will move forward. Right? So these sutras, please go through. You have got enough time. Go through, understand thoroughly this. So we will do some Sandhi practice from the Gita. You can take and do. And also we can read the book, Samskrita Bharati, Sandhi book. You have Sandhi book, Samskrita Bharati. Whatever we have learned, now same that with the examples, and in Sanskritam itself, it is available. So we will, this is the one. This is Samskrita Bharati, Sandhi book, 68 pages. So from the introduction, we can just will read it. It's only in Sanskritam, okay? It's only in Sanskritam. From Aksharam onwards is explained. Whatever we have studied, everything you will see it here. What is a vowel? What is a consonant? What is ayoga, vaha, vyanjanani, everything. Antara prayatanam, bhagya prayatanam. Again, one more time revision. Then after that, he gets into slowly sandhi, etc. This will take some time, but it is good to read. Just reading, you will understand the meaning. So we will do it in the class.
Okay.
So maybe another 10, 15, or maybe 20 classes for reading this. So that will complete Sandhi thoroughly, right?
Nice.
And a lot of examples are given also for each Sandhi. But I have taken examples from here, many examples. Okay, so this we will do. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Did you see the Samskrita Bharati Sandhi? I showed.
No, not appear here in the.
Oh, sorry. I think you were seeing. I was showing us scrolling up and down. Okay. You are not seeing. This is the one.
Not. Oh. Okay.
Oh,
not. I'm not
this.
having this one.
Okay, I will send you this. Akshara Prakaranam, Akshara, vowels, consonants, all this, everything. Okay. And then all the Sandhis. Only in Sanskritam it is there. So we will read. This is what I said. It will go for 10, 15 classes. Because we have learned Sandhi thoroughly, I hope. So we have learned thoroughly. Therefore, it will be easy for us just to read this.
Yes.
Reading this, understand. So when you read it, you'll be able to understand what is that we are now. We have learned. So we'll not discuss, just reading and you understand. Simple.
Okay. Please,
Sandhi
possible send, and then
I'll send.
some will make the print so we can.
Yes, I'll
make
send
some
you.
notes.
So this is what I said. It will go for another 10, 15 classes.
Okay.
So this will make the Sandhi very strong, complete and strong also. right? Okay,
Nice.
so we'll stop here. Oh, okay. Purnamada, we did, right?
Yes.